Alright, anyway, so today I am going to be doing another cosplay makeup tutorial. If you can't tell by the wig, I am going to do Elastigirl's makeup today. I've had this costume for months now. I've done Violet Parr in the past. Definitely one of my easier makeup tutorials. What you're gonna need is a mask. This mask came with my costume. I don't like it at all. So I'm just going to use my Harley Quinn mask. Yeah. I got this mask on Etsy. If the seller is still up, I will put a link in the description for the same exact one. The wig I got on eBay. I don't remember the cost, to be honest. It was a while back ago. So yeah, I am literally just gonna start. So I put some chapstick on. I'm going to put concealer on the bridge of my nose and where my mustache would be, and I'm gonna put some on my chin, just running out of concealer. Okay, so the concealer I'm using, Maybelline Concealer Max or something like that. Maybelline Master Concealer. That's what it's called. Now I'm going to use a damp sponge to blend it. Now I'm gonna get my foundation. This is the one I'm using. I'm gonna put some of that on my sponge. Gonna dab it around. Okay, so far so good. Now we're going to contour. I'm using Beauty Benefits contouring palette. This is the first time I'm using this, so we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to get the dark side, and I'm going to contour my cheekbones. And I'm also going to contour my jawline. Now we are going to contour around the nose. So I'm just going to put a little bit under the nose there. And then the side there, bringing it up a bit on the bridge there. Now I'm going to use Hello Flawless Benefit powder. You could use a matte black eyeshadow for this, or black face paint. What I'm using is this Wet n Wild face paint makeup type deal, and there is a black in here, so I'm going to use that black for the eyes. I'm going to start by putting it on my top lid. Now I'm going to fill in the bottom. And then we're gonna move our way up to the eyebrows. So that should be good. So now we're gonna put the mask on. So now that our mask is on, we're gonna grab some eyeliner and put that on the lower lash line. And then it would probably be a good idea to use false lashes here. But I don't have any and I don't like wearing them, so I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and put mascara on. I'm going to just get this CoverGirl eyeshadow, and I'm just going to tap the black eyeshadow onto my eyelid. I think Elastigirl wears like a nude shade of lipstick. However, I am going to use red because I just think it would look better. I don't know. Alright, so I'm going to use this lipstick. I don't know what it is. Color Sensational. There's the bottom of it. Don't know if you can see that. So there you have it, guys. There is our Elastigirl makeup. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, comment. You can see more of my cosplays and cosplay pictures on Instagram and Patreon. All my links will be below, so make sure to check those out. Again, the wig I got on eBay, the costume itself I got on eBay, the mask I got on Etsy.